Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and easy peanut butter oatmeal cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. Also, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats ready. Now, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with the granulated sugar and light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Next, beat in the creamy peanut butter until well combined. Finally, add the large egg and the vanilla extract, mixing until just incorporated. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to ensure everything is thoroughly blended. With our wet ingredients ready, it's time for the dry components. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, stir in 1 1/2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can make your cookies tough. Now for the best part, baking. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your warm, chewy, and delicious homemade peanut butter oatmeal cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.